Welcome back to Echo English Moments. I'm Lily.
And I'm Tom. Hi, everyone.
In our A Day with Lily series, we explore real-life English for everyday situations.
That's right. And today, we're traveling again. This time, we're checking in at a hotel.
Exactly. Whether you're on vacation or a business trip, you'll need English at the hotel front desk.
I always get a little nervous in hotels. There are so many polite phrases to remember.
Don't worry. We'll go step by step from making a reservation to checking out.
Great. Let's check in together.
Before you even arrive, you can call or go online to make a reservation.
I can say, "Hello, I'd like to book a room for 2 nights, please."
Perfect. And the hotel staff might ask, what dates would you like to stay?
I can say, from July 12th to July 14th.
They may also ask, would you like a single room or a double room?
I can say, "A double room, please."
Excellent. Polite, short, and clear. Now we've arrived at the hotel. The lobby is bright and comfortable.
I can say, "Good afternoon. I have a reservation under the name Tom Lee."
Perfect. The receptionist might say, welcome. May I see your ID, please?
I can say, "Of course. Here is my passport."
Great job. That's the standard process everywhere in the world. The receptionist will confirm your booking.
I can say, "Yes, that's correct. A double room for 2 nights."
They might ask, would you like breakfast included?
I can say, "Yes, please. What time is breakfast served?"
Nicely done. You can also ask, is Wi-Fi included in the room rate?
I can say, "Does the room have air conditioning?"
Excellent. All practical and polite. Before you get your key, you might want to ask about hotel facilities.
I can say, "Do you have a gym or swimming pool?"
That's great. You can also ask, is there a restaurant in the hotel?
I can say, "What time does the restaurant open for dinner?"
Perfect. You sound confident and curious. That's great English. The receptionist might now ask, how would you like to pay? I can say, I'll pay by credit card.
Good. And if they need a deposit, they might say, "We'll hold $100 as a deposit."
I can say, that's fine. Will it be refunded at checkout?
Perfect. Polite and professional.
Once payment is done, the receptionist gives you your key or key card.
I can say, "Thank you. Could you tell me which floor my room is on?"
Great question. They might answer, you're on the 5th floor, room 508.
I can say, "Is there an elevator?"
Perfect. Always practical to ask that. Now you've reached your room. You can check everything quickly.
I can say, let's see. The bed looks nice and clean.
You can also say, the view from the window is beautiful.
I can say, I need to adjust the air conditioning.
Perfect. And if something isn't right, you can call the front desk. If something doesn't work, don't panic. Just call the reception.
I can say, hello, the air conditioner isn't working.
Perfect. Or, could you please send someone to fix it?
I can say, also, could I have an extra towel, please?
Great. Always polite, always clear. After your stay, it's time to check out.
I can say, good morning. I'd like to check out, please.
They might ask, did you enjoy your stay?
I can say, yes, everything was great. Thank you.
Perfect. Then they'll confirm your payment and return your deposit.
I can say, could I have a receipt, please?
That's excellent. Always end the stay politely. All right, Tom, let's review some of today's key phrases.
Great idea. Let's practice.
I'd like to book a room for 2 nights, please.
I'd like to book a room for 2 nights, please.
I have a reservation under the name Tom Lee.
I have a reservation under the name Tom Lee.
Here's my passport.
Here's my passport.
A double room for 2 nights, right?
A double room for 2 nights, right?
What time is breakfast served?
What time is breakfast served?
Is Wi-Fi included in the room rate?
Is Wi-Fi included in the room rate?
Do you have a gym or swimming pool?
Do you have a gym or swimming pool?
I'll pay by credit card.
I'll pay by credit card.
Will the deposit be refunded at checkout?
Will the deposit be refunded at checkout?
Could you tell me which floor my room is on?
Could you tell me which floor my room is on?
Is there an elevator?
Is there an elevator?
Could you please send someone to fix it?
Could you please send someone to fix it?
I'd like to check out, please.
I'd like to check out, please.
Could I have a receipt, please?
Could I have a receipt, please?
Today, we learned how to check in at a hotel, from booking a room to checking out politely.
And we practiced many real and polite English phrases for travel situations.
Remember, a smile and good manners always make your stay better.
That's true. English is not just about words, it's about connection.
Exactly. Keep listening, keep speaking, and enjoy your English journey.
This was A Day with Lily.
See you next time.